This is a set of stairs that hopefully we have all drawn. We've drawn an orthographic set of drawings, which is going to show our front view and our top view and our side view. And I just wanted to touch on a couple things about that before we moved on to another part, which is going to be the cutting list and the bill of materials. So without further ado, here we are. Your drawing should look something like this. What I really want to make sure that everyone has figured out by now is that the back of the staircase has to line up with the back of the top view. Likewise, when I put a line across here, this should line up with the top of that step. If it doesn't, it's not right. Either it's a different size or it's a whole different thing you're drawing. Those things all have to line up. Similarly, the bottom of this tread, if it is not lined up, you did not do it right. So please ensure that that is all correct. Another thing that wasn't necessarily clear perhaps is the size of all these things. Remember that this is a real life, full life thing. The staircase width here says it's 28 inches, and that is in your booklet as well. The staircase itself, sorry, that was the tread length. The staircase width itself is 26 because there is an overhang, as you can see right there. That's the difference between those two. Make sure those two are different. All right? And that's what your orthographic drawing should look like. And I'm going to switch out, and we're going to see where these things actually come from. Oh my gosh, look at this. So this is just three of the same thing. Your front view is literally just the front of it. The top view happens when you rotate on top of it, which I've done right here. There's a staircase, same thing, but now we're on top of it. And over here, of course, there's our staircase. If we turn the staircase, you're going to see these faces here of the risers and the edge of the tread. That's exactly what you're looking at right in the front view right here. And again, I'm going to switch this back to a different view. That's what it looks like. And those things are all the same staircase, just in three different ways, okay? So please don't get that confused. What we're going to do now is we're going to move on to how we take this whole thing that we've drawn, that's what we want to build, and how do we take that and figure out what pieces we cut out of what. If you just went to the back of the shop, started cutting material, you're going to waste a whole lot of stuff. So what I want to do is figure out how we're going to get all these pieces out of which pieces of wood.